Oh, get him. He's right there. Get him. Oh, I got him. I got him. Yeah. All right, guys. That is 4 for me right there, baby. Hell yeah. Slingshot fishing is on fire. All right, guys. We are killing it. It's almost dark, but we got 5 fish so far, but I think I'm gonna try to get a couple more before it gets dark. But yeah, hey, we're killing it, guys. Nice slingshot fishing action right here. Heck yeah. Ever tried slingshot fishing? One shot, murky water, and boom, giant carp on the line. This ain't your average day at the river. All right, guys, let's get on some fish, shall we? Let's get on some fishies. It's thorn bushes, my favorite. It's gonna cut me. Ow. Owie. All right, what do we got here, boys? Looks like we got a whole bunch of carp. Let's see if we can get one, shall we? Oh, did I get him? I got him, guys. Woohoo! That was a long shot right there, boys. Woohoo! We got us a fishy. We got us a fishy. Come here, boy. Come here, big boy. Aha! Nice, boys. Nice, boy. That's what we're looking for right there, guys. Hell yeah. Yeek, yeek. Hey, no, don't go back in the water. No. You are mine. I own you. You are my victory. We got thorns. We got bushes. Thorn bushes. Ow. Boys. Nice juicy trout right there. Trout. Juicy carp. Are you juicy? Are you juicy? Yeah, I think so. All right, guys, see if we can get some more. Did I get him? I think I got him. Ah, I got another one. Got another one, boys. Hell yeah, slingshot fishing is where it's at today. Look at them all. Holy crap, they're everywhere. They're everywhere. We got us a secondary fish, boys. I am what you call a slingshot fishing master. Woohoo! Novi, get your fish. It's right there. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up, Novi. You have fishies. Hold still. Hold still. Hold still. They're coming back, Novi. How come they were sitting there with you until I got down here and then they run? They sensed me. Hey, hey, come here. Don't spook. Don't spook him, Novi. Oh, I think did I get him? Oh, you lucky, lucky, lucky. Oh, that fish is lucky. That fish is lucky, Novi. That fish is what I call luck. It's what I call luck, Novi. What's going on? Why are you doing this to me? Why? A catfish. It's a blackfish. It's a catfish. It's a big one too. Yeah. Oh, get him! He's right there! Get him! Oh, I got him. I got him. Yeah. Stab him.
That's really cool.
It's a big one. Don't pull him too hard, that dart will come out. Okay, ready? Let him go. Nicely. Nice. All right, guys. That is 4 for me right there, baby. Hell yeah. Slingshot fishing is on fire. Oh. All right, guys, old habits die hard. We're coming back to our original spot and we're gonna see if our buddies have come back or not. The sun's going down. Let's see if we can get a couple before it gets dark. So the reason why there's fish swimming right here is this pump here is pushing fresh water into this river, and this river has high alkali. And so the fish really like that fresh water. So that's why the fish are kind of gathering right here. They like that fresh water. Just so y'all know. Fun fact of the day. I need a weed whacker. Oh shit, there's one right there. That's a big boy. It's a big boy, it's a big boy. That is a big boy, and I'm screwed. I can't get it fast enough. Ah, dang. Ah, no. Ah, what is wrong with me today? Why do I suck so hard? What the heck? The string keeps getting wrapped around something. Oh, what's going on? Damn, that was my fish. Damn, what the hell? That was weird. Why does it keep hitting? What is it doing? I don't know what's going on now. I changed. I don't know what's going on now, guys. I'm getting stuck on something. I do not know why it's doing that. There's no reason for it to do that. Gonna get pissed. There's no reason. Oh, did I get him? Did I get him? Did I get him? Maybe? I got him! Ah, yeah! Woohoo, boys! We got another one. This is number 5. Number 5. Ah, yeah! We are number 5, boys, number 5. Yeah, I was having issues with that dart. I don't know what was going on, but I think I got it solved. Nice. Fishy for days. All right, guys. We are killing it. It's almost dark, But we got 5 fish so far, but I think I'm gonna try to get a couple more before it gets dark. But yeah, hey, we're killing it, guys. Nice slingshot fishing action right here. Heck yeah. Super fun time, guys. Gotta get you one. Give it a try. And as always, make sure you like and subscribe, guys, for more slingshot fishing action, more fishing and hunting coming at you guys all summer long. So we'll see you next time, guys. Be safe out there. Peace.